Welcome. Microsoft has created Excel for calculations. The main purpose of Excel is to calculate data. That is the reason every company, private and government institutions use Excel to data calculating and data analysis. So let's first talk about arithmetic operators. Basically, arithmetic operators are used for simple calculations. These operators perform multiplication, subtraction, addition, division, and exponentiation. Table shows how these operators perform in Excel. Multiplication operator is used to multiply the numbers in cells C4 and D4. Subtraction operator is used to subtract value from cell C5 and cell D5. Addition operator is used to add value from cell C6 and cell D6. Division operator is used to divide value from cell C7 and cell D7. Exponent operators returns the value in a cell by raising the second power. But keep in mind, every formula in Excel starts with equal sign. If you do not type equal sign before starting the formula, then formula will not return the exact value. It will behave like a text. So first enter equal sign.